Hello everyone. During the holidays, every household makes stewed chicken. Many people simply blanch the chicken to remove the blood and odor before stewing. But actually that's a big mistake. Chicken stewed that way turns out very tough and loses its tenderness. Today, I'm going to share a method for stewing chicken that's incredibly tender and free of any unpleasant smell. Add a spoonful of regular flour to the chicken. Then use your hands to mix and rub it evenly for about 2 minutes. Because flour has strong absorbent properties, it can effectively remove impurities and blood from the chicken. When it feels a bit sticky to the touch, that's just right. Next, rinse it thoroughly under running water. Take a look, lots of impurities have been washed out. Be sure to wash it several times until the water runs clear. Squeeze out the excess water from the clean chicken so it can absorb the flavors better. Marinate the chicken by adding a suitable amount of light soy sauce and a little oyster sauce. Add some pepper to remove any unwanted odors and a splash of cooking wine. Then use your hands to mix everything well, allowing the chicken to fully absorb the marinade. Remember, do not add salt when marinating the chicken at this stage. Adding salt too early will affect the texture of the meat. After mixing, set it aside to marinate for 20 minutes so the flavors can penetrate. Next, prepare a handful of white glass noodles and place them in a bowl. Pour enough warm water over the noodles to cover them and set aside to soak. Next, prepare a handful of dried shiitake mushrooms. Add warm water to soak them. Prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Cut a section of leek into slices as well. Slice several cloves of garlic. After slicing, place everything on a plate for later use. Prepare a green bell pepper and cut it into irregular chunks. Cut a red bell pepper into irregular chunks as well. Add an appropriate amount of oil to the wok. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced leek, ginger and garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the marinated chicken. Turn the heat to high and keep stir-frying to release the moisture from the chicken. This will make it more tender and flavorful. Stir-fry the chicken thoroughly to remove any gamey taste. Stir-fry until the chicken is fragrant and the surface is slightly golden brown. Now start seasoning by adding an appropriate amount of salt. Add a little dark soy sauce for color. Continue to stir-fry over high heat until the chicken is evenly coated and colored. Wow, the whole house is filled with a delicious aroma now. Then pour in enough boiling water to cover the chicken and bring it to a boil over high heat. Next, prepare a clay pot and add the soaked shiitake mushrooms. Add the vermicelli as well. Then pour in the chicken. Cover with a lid and simmer over medium heat for about 20 minutes. Chicken cooked in a clay pot will be even more fragrant and delicious. The time is almost up. Add the green and red peppers too. Put the lid back on and let it simmer for another 2 minutes and it's done. Wow, it smells amazing. Just looking at it makes my mouth water. Chicken cooked this way is just incredibly delicious and the broth is also very flavorful. The chicken is now very tender and full of flavor, juicy and tasty. The vermicelli and mushrooms have soaked up all the broth and they taste even better than the chicken. Serving a pot like this to guests is always a big hit. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like, comment and share. Thank you for your support.